Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Bella and Friends, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. Bring that in. And I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I am using the new stitched nested labels, and those will be available on June 3rd, my online store. So we'll run those through. All right, and that is all that we are using the big shot for. And we're using Bella and Friends, and Bella is retiring, so you want to pick her up. We're going to use this one, and You've Got a Friend in Me. And I'm going to come in with my Memento black ink. And I'm going to stamp the puppy and the turtle together. And I want it kind of in the middle. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my very first. And I have the sentiment mounted on block G. And the image was mounted on block H. So just like that. And I have the Mint Macaron Light and the Light Smoky Slate. And I'm just going to color him really quick. All right, and I'm going to do the same with the turtle. So just like that, and now we can start putting this card together. My card base is Berry Burst. I don't have my bone folder, but this will work just fine. And that's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Lemon Lime Twist, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'll just put this down. Whoa. That's not good. All right, let's try this one more time. All right, much better. And then I have a piece of Animal Expedition, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. This is a cutest little paper. So we'll center that as well. And then we are going to pop Bella up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Alright, so there you have it. A quick and simple card just to let someone know they have a friend in you. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!